I'm gonna show you one of the house model unit here in Brookstone Park, Barangay Cabuco, Trece Martires City, Cavite. Pasok tayo. So, pagpasok sa gate is, ayun, bubungad na agad sa inyo yung front door. And this model house is Anika single attached unit. Then, dito naman sa side is yung carport. So, as you can see, maluwag siya. Ayun. Maluwag. Then, pasok naman tayo. Ayan. So, pagpasok, makikita nyo, very straightforward yung design. Andito yung living room area. And then, dito naman, sa bandang likod is yung dining room. Then, dito sa left side is yung kitchen. So, as you can see, L-type yung kitchen. Then, meron ding toilet. One toilet sa baba. Here naman, meron tayong door papunta sa ating carport. Then, yun. Pwede nyo din gawin siya for your service area or laundry area. Then, dito sa likod, meron pang setback. So, ayun. Provision for your extension in the future. Akyat naman tayo. I'm gonna show you the bedrooms upstairs naman. Here's the first bedroom. Very spacious and well ventilated because of the windows. Yeah. Isang kagandahan pa dito sa unit na to is merong toilet and bath sa taas. So, hindi na kayo mahihirapan na umakyat or bumaba para mag-CR. Then, dito naman is yung next bedroom or second bedroom. As you can see, very spacious for your kids and also well ventilated pa rin because there are two windows. And so that's our quick house video tour and I'll see you on the next one.